Hi guys, where we unveil the legendary BMW 2002 Tii Alpina. This iconic car is a true automotive masterpiece, known for its power, performance, and timeless design. The BMW 2002 Tii Alpina was first introduced in the early 1970s and quickly became a favorite among car enthusiasts. Its sleek lines, aggressive stance, and signature Alpina stripes make it instantly recognizable on the road. Under the hood, this beauty is powered by a 2.0-liter engine that delivers an impressive 130 horsepower. Paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, the BMW 2002 Tii Alpina can reach a top speed of 120 miles per hour. But it's not just about speed. The BMW 2002 Tii Alpina offers an incredible driving experience with its sport-tuned suspension, improved brakes, and responsive steering. This car was built to hug the corners and provide an adrenaline-fueled ride. Inside, you'll find a classic interior that blends luxury and sportiness. With its comfortable seats, sleek dashboard, and vintage details, this car truly encapsulates the essence of a bygone era. Whether you're a car enthusiast or simply appreciate timeless design, the BMW 2002 Tii Alpina is a true gem. Its combination of power, performance, and style has earned it a place in automotive history. So, if you're lucky enough to spot one of these beauties on the road, take a moment to admire its craftsmanship and pay homage to the legendary BMW 2002 Tii Alpina. Thanks for watching our video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more automotive adventures.